In this training video, I'm going to show you how I would load pictures into Advanced Access the easy way, so that way the pictures are compressed and they load really fast. So what I do is go to ALAMLS.com on the internet side of the house. So essentially you would normally load your pictures into the back end of your MLS where you log in at. You put them on, go ahead and put them in MLS. Then log out of MLS. Then go around and go to ALAMLS.com. The reason for this is when MLS compresses all these photos right here. That's why these things load so fast. So all I do is simply pull up Carol's page through the My Listings, Photos, and what I do is just take them and pull them up into the window viewer. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to download a few, and then I'm going to show you how to stick them right in Advanced Access and let you see how fast I think it is. It's 3 to 4 seconds per load on each picture. So I've already done the first 3, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to go ahead and grab this picture here. You just go right click and select Save the Image As, and I already have a folder for 1320 County Road 85, and this is my MLS pictures, and here they are here. So I'm going to add this one. I'm going to do the same thing with this picture, save it as, put it back into the same folder, make it an MLS folder, make it very simple for yourself so don't hide it. Okay, and that picture. So there's just 3 pictures. Now what I've done, I've already opened up the Carol Lemon Realtors website, logged in. You guys are familiar with this, and I'm going to add the picture. And I have to admit that to get to this thing sometimes is a little slow, but okay, there's my first picture, and let's go on the clock with it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 seconds. Okay, that one loaded in 8 seconds. But as you can see, it probably loaded faster than any other pictures you guys have been trying to load into this thing. And I'll show you the reasons why that is. Let's go ahead and do this other one here, and I'll show you why I wanted to download them from MLS. Okay, let's put the fireplace on here and upload. And again, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so about 8 to 10 seconds per picture, which is still kind of slow, but it's getting better. But that's the reason is through MLS, and I'll show you the differences right now. Okay, normally when you take a picture out in the field, like me or Carol, you see these sizes right here. It says 1.43 megabytes. That is a huge file. That is a picture that's big as a screen, big as your computer screen if you opened it up. But watch what happens when we take them from MLS. They go down to 23 kilobytes, which is like almost, if it went down to 1 kilobyte, you wouldn't even see the picture. That's kind of how you can gauge the different photo sizes. Is 1 kilobyte, you wouldn't even see it on the screen. 23 kilobytes is like this, and it's not very thick, but if it was 23 megabytes like the other one was, I mean, that is a huge file. But taking them off of MLS, you already have pre-compressed photos. And what I'll do is show you in the next training video I send you of how you can cut these photos down using a tool called Photo Sizer, which is very simple. But for now, if you go to your, after you load them in the MLS, you go to MLS.com, pull up Carol's listings, then Just go ahead and do it like this, and then you just simply pull the listing that you want, launch it, and get the photo viewer up. It needs to be up here in this photo viewer, just like this. Use your right click on your mouse, hit the Save As button, create you a folder wherever you want to place them, call it MLS so you know what it is. Hit Save, and just go down the line and do it just like that. Get all 20 of them, and then drop over to Advanced Access and put them in. And that way, it'll cut down, even though it's still 8 to 10 seconds per picture. You know, you can do the math on that. 160 seconds, you know, so you're looking at a minute, over a minute, 2 or 3 minutes loading these pictures. That's the math on it. So if you think it's 10 seconds and you're doing 200, you're doing 20 pictures, you're looking at 200 seconds, which is roughly what, 3, 4, little over 4 to 5 minutes, and that should increase your productivity a little bit. Alright, that's all I got for this, and I hope this guys made sense to you.